Hi, in this video we're gonna see how you can download a trial license from Liferay.com and start your first instance of Liferay. So when you go to Liferay.com, if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see a link here for 30 days trial. So that's what you need to click on. And once you click on that link, you will have a form here to fill. So you just write your first name, last name, work email, and then once you finish this form and you click download, Liferay will send you a link to download the trial license, the XML file. So that's the first thing you need to do. So I already downloaded this, so I'm not gonna fill this form. Let me open the other browser here. So once you download the XML file for the trial license, Liferay will give you the steps for how you can download Liferay bundle and start using it. So it gives you four steps here to go through it. I'm gonna actually summarize those steps. So I already downloaded the bundle on my laptop, so I'm gonna show you how we can start the bundle. You already got the trial license, and then this documentation here, it shows you how you can start Liferay DXP. The documentation is pretty detailed, based on your environment. If you want to do clusters, if you are someone like me who wants to just like run Liferay on his laptop pretty quick and starting it, I feel this documentation has too much detail. So let me show you now how you can easily start Liferay bundle with your trial license on your laptop in a very few steps. All right. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download Oracle GDK8. So just go to your google.com, right? Download GDK8 and click on the first link. And you can see here, and by the way, you don't need to download Oracle GDK8. Any compatible uh, GDK8 or 11, you can download it like OpenGDK. Any other GDK can also be used. You're not stuck to use only Oracle GDK here. Just because it's easy to find, I'm just click Oracle GDK. You can go to the link based on your environment. I have a MacBook here, so that's why I actually downloaded the GDK. This GDK, I already have it installed. So if you actually open my environment and I write Java minus version, you can see I already have a Java version 8 here installed. So basically download it, install it. Once you install it, you make sure you have the version 8 or version 11 by writing this command java space minus version to make sure you have the GDK 8. All right, so that's the first step. The second step is now I have everything downloaded on my environment. So I have the license that I got through my email once I filled the form. And also they send me the link to download Liferay DXP Tomcat that I'm actually ready to start it. So first step, I need to unzip this bundle. So I'm just gonna click on it. If you are in Windows, you may need to download a 7Z software to unzip it. All right, so that shouldn't take a long time. And once I have this installed, so that's the first step I need to do, right? So once you have it, you can open it and you can see here there is Tomcat bundle. You just open this and you need to navigate through your command line to the bin folder. In Mac, it's pretty easy. You can just drag and drop and add this in the terminal. So you're now here. You can see my path is going to my bundle slash tomcat slash bin folder, right? And you can see here on the bin folder there is a lot of commands. If you are on a Windows, you're gonna use the startup.bat. If you actually want to follow the logs, so startup.bat and Tomcat basically save the logs in a log folder, so you don't see it live here. If you want to see the logs file, which is what I recommend if you're gonna have a trial license, you can use the Catalina.bat. Since I'm in Mac here, I'm gonna use the sh. So basically, I do Catalina.sh/run. This is how you do it in Mac. If you are in Windows, all what you need to do is Catalina.bat run. So you don't have the dot backslash before the Catalina. So I'm just gonna add them here since I'm on Mac, and just change this to SH. And now I'm gonna start running my server, and you can see here with Catalina command you can see live the logs. If I use the start top bat or sh, it won't show the command, it won't show the logs here. It would be saved inside the log folder of Tomcat. This is how Tomcat works here. All right, so I'm waiting for everything to run for me. Alright, it shouldn't take long time, and you can see here in the command say no binary license found, so which means that we're gonna need to add our XML license in the next step. So we'll see how we can do this. Now you can see now the server starts, so everything looks good. If I went to my browser here, you can see it opened by itself. If it didn't open by itself, you can actually just write localhost column 8080, and that actually takes you to the license tab. You can see you cannot access anything because you don't have license installed yet. So I come here, write my portal name. I'm just gonna leave everything as a default here. Maybe write the email to be test at liferay.com. And you can see here for the database, you can configure Liferay to use external database. Just for a trial license, you do not need to do that. You can use the hypersonic database that comes by default. Of course, in production, we recommend to use MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. We have a lot of database that we can work with. Just for trial, you want to try the feature of Liferay, use Hypersonic. Of course, it's not recommended for production. Um, Hypersonic is just a file-based database. You'll be able to have access all the Liferay feature, but of course, it's not for production. All right, so everything looks good to me here. I'm gonna click finish. Right, so now it tells me that I need to add the license, so there is no license in the server. So to do this, you basically need to do very simple steps. So you copy your XML file, you just copy that file, and under Liferay, then the folder that you unzipped, there is a folder called deploy. So you just paste it inside that deploy folder. That's it. That's all what you need to do here. And you can actually follow the logs. So you can see here the logs already actually took the key, and I'm waiting to start. Here you go. So the license got registered, so everything is good. So if actually I went back to my browser, now it's actually just verifying my password. I have everything up and running now. So if I actually click on sign in, I can add my first user, which is test. The password is test as well. So this is the default password. So test.liferay.com, and the password is test. You click sign in, and now you agree. And the first thing it's going to ask you is to reset your password. So you have to put another password. I put now like test1, and I can answer this question. Alright, so now you can see you have access to Liferay bundle. You can start building content, building pages, building sites. I'm gonna have follow-up videos with deep in details, talking about every topic, the content management, the layout, everything. I may be using a bundle that I already have some templates. It looks a little bit nicer than this, but basically you can do whatever I do in the other bundle here in a vanilla bundle. Hopefully that video will help you how to use Liferay trial. If you have any question, you can always write me a comment.